What's up everybody, this is Travis from DIY Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you the first 5 performance mods you should do to your car. Stay tuned.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep...
First is going to be a cold air intake. Now, cold air intake is exactly how it sounds. It's taking air from that's farther away from your engine than what your stock air filter is going to be at, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you denser, colder air, which is going to give you more fuel into your cylinders, which is essentially going to give you more power.
I don't need no help, I don't need opinions.
Catback exhaust. Catback exhaust, stock mufflers are going to be muffling the sound, and it's going to be more for passing emissions. When you open up anything back starting, you can start with a catback, you eventually go all the way up to your headers. But basically what it's going to do is it's going to open up the flow of your engine. It's going to let your engine breathe a lot better, and you're going to get more horsepower that way when more air is exiting or exhaust is exiting the vehicle.
Don't waste my time then, I just been living online, my city don't...
It's going to be an ECU tune on your vehicle. So basically the ECU stock, when your maker model makes your car, they decide they want... They're pushing more towards MPGs and passing emissions and kind of not to really go fast. So getting your ECU tuned, if you don't care about your MPGs or your emissions, I mean, you can get huge power gains from tuning your ECU. Just make sure you do it by some professional. I mean, there's tons of shops all over the place. That's not something you really want to mess with. I mean, that's definitely something I would recommend getting done by a professional.
Show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations. I got more...
Tires and suspension. So tires can go an extremely long way. They can give you way better handling, and they can keep your tires on the road a lot faster. You get quicker acceleration, more power, or more feeling of power. And then also suspension. You can get stiffer springs. Stock suspension is going to be more for comfort, and they're going to be soft and squishy. But if you go with some stiffer springs, at least at higher speeds, your wheels are going to be a lot tighter to the road, and you're going to have a lot better handling.
Plays and all of these rappers combined, I'm going again.
So probably the easiest mod for you to do, it's not really a mod, is going to be weight reduction. Now, weight reduction, that could be anything from getting rid of your spare tire, any sort of tool kits, anything in your trunk, anything extra that you don't need to drive the vehicle. I mean, you can go as far as taking out back seats. And what that's going to do is essentially your car's lighter, so you're going to be getting more quicker response from your vehicle, and honestly you can go a lot faster. Thank you for watching DIY Auto, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this video, and leave me a comment below on any mods that you've done to your car to improve your performance. Keep on modding.
I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do